just picking the son of this right up. Nope, it ain't gonna fucking work. Goddamn motherfucker.
You get it?
Fuck no. I'm getting pissed off now.
Well, what are you trying to do?
Trying to get it unraveled here. Fucking wind don't stop fucking blowing.
Holy fuck.
Fucking blood!
Fuck me!
Play with me, you moron! Chris is worse than a fucking drunk put one of these fuckers up.
You might be fucking drunk. You look like you're drunk.
No, I ain't fucking drunk.
You're just fucked up.
It ain't fucked up yet.
Tell him.